Okay, so this is part of farm life. I'm gonna go get the eggs because I didn't today. So I got my basket. I got the chickies some treats. And I got my traveling with me. Every day we're gonna go out to the chicken coop. And the dogs like, well, Ozzy likes to aggravate the chickens. Hi girls. Hi girls. We're gonna go in and give them their treats first. Hi girls. Hi my girls. Hi. This is Frances. She's my special chicken. It's Wednesday. And that's Trudy and Judy and Mabel and Pearl. And these two, the girls' names. And one's Priscilla and one's Scylla or something like that. Anyhow, here girls. I got you some treats. I mean, he doesn't love chickens. Here's your salad. And this goober. And those goobers. Hi, goobers. And now we're gonna get the eggs. Fresh eggs. Take you in here with me. Hold on. Watch out, boys. Shh. All right. Stay. It's a little dark in here, but they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nesting boxes, and that is the only one they lay in. And somebody laid one outside the box, so all the chicky eggs. This color egg, Frances lays that color egg. She's the only one I know who lays that egg. So now we got all our eggs in one basket. I'll give you a little shot of the yard. Got the beehives and the apple trees and our big old garden over there. So yeah, it's the only farm animals I have right now are chickens. Seeing if I can do the chickens first. Not do the chickens, but you know what I mean. See if I can manage chickens. And then we'll talk about getting some other things. We've thrown around the idea of getting alpacas. Thrown around the idea of getting hogs. Yeah. Oops. That's the chicken coop. Here's the garden. Here's the back of the house. Here's the barn, the red barn. So, exciting, yes? Yeah. It's exciting when you get fresh eggs. It's the little things in life, people. All right, peace out. Effers.